Hello class 6 children, how you all? Students, today we are going to discuss your topic Panchayati Raj. Okay, so let's start. Children, we will start from Gram Sabha. Okay, what is Gram Sabha? So this Gram Sabha, as we can see the name, as we can listen the name, Gram means village and Sabha means meeting or assembly, right? So this is the meeting or this is the assembly of all the villagers. And who are the villagers? These people are 18 and above, so their age is 18 and more than 18. These people can assemble in this meeting of Gram Sabha, right? So Gram Sabha is a meeting of all the adults who live in any village, who live in any area covered by a panchayat. So simply, Gram Sabha is a meeting of all the villagers, right, who are 18 and above. Got it? And these all the people, they are having voting right also, right? So they have right to vote also. So this is Gram Sabha, meeting of all the adults 18 and above in a village, and they have right to vote. So this their meeting is known as Gram Sabha. Got it, children? Now next point. So Gram Sabha, a meeting often being with the panchayat president. So in Gram Sabha's meeting, who remain available, who are available in that? So panchayat president, who is called sarpanch, that person is also there. Okay, who start these meetings, right? And some other members of panchayat, these are known by the name panch. Okay, these are also known as in English panchayat members, right? Ward members, you can say ward members, or in Hindi you can call them panch, right? So in this Gram Sabha, there is a sarpanch, okay, who begins the meeting, and there are panch, right, and all the villagers who are 18 and above. So these all people, they attend the meeting of Gram Sabha. Got it? So to form the panchayat, to make the panchayat, each village is divided into many wards. Panchayat is divided into many wards. Okay, and what are these wards? These wards are smaller units, smaller areas in a village. Okay, and from each ward, there is a ward member or there is a panch. And what is the responsibility of this panch, this ward member? Responsibility of this ward member is to represent that ward, or to take care of all the works related to that ward. Okay, that can be sanitation, that can be any other kind of facilities. Okay, any lighting system, whatever, any kind of facilities. So these will be taken care by the ward member, right? So this is the duty of a ward member. Let's see these all the points again. Gram Sabha is the meeting of all the adults who are 18 and above. Okay, in that panchayat president is there, all the panch are there, and these all the people who are 18 and above. And village is divided into many wards in smaller areas, and each panch take care for their ward. Got it? Now see the next point. So all the members of Gram Sabha also elect a sarpanch. All the members of Gram Sabha, they have one more responsibility, that is electing a sarpanch, right? And sarpanch is, as you know, the sarpanch is panchayat president. Got it? Or these ward panch and sarpanch form a gram panchayat. Now we are understanding this second concept, that is what is a panchayat, right? So these ward panch means ward members or sarpanch, they form a gram panchayat, and this gram panchayat is an elected body. It is an elected body, and this is elected for 5 years, right? For how many years? 5 years, right? And in this gram panchayat, there is a secretary also. This person is known as panchayat secretary, right? This person is known as panchayat secretary. This is the secretary of Gram Sabha also. So Gram Panchayat and Gram Sabha, they have a secretary, means in that village they have a secretary, and this person is not elected. This person is appointed by the government. This person is on the government job. Okay, and who works with panchayat and Gram Panchayat and Gram Sabha. Okay, now what is the work of this panchayat secretary? What is the work? What are the responsibilities of this person? So the responsibilities of this person are calling the meeting of Gram Sabha. Okay, this person who is known as Panchayat Secretary call the meetings of Gram Sabha, okay, and call the meeting of Gram Panchayat, right? Both the assemblies, both the meetings are called by this person. And second most important work, that is, this person keeps the record and uh, entire everything he note down in his register, all the proceedings, what is being discussed, what is happening, where and how, uh, uh, what amount of money is consumed, everything. So all kind of records related to panchayat work, they are kept and they are maintained by this person, panchayat secretary. Okay, so this is panchayat secretary, a government appointed person. This person is on the government job, and the responsibility of this person is to maintain all the proceedings, all the record of all the works of panchayat and gram sabha, right? Got it, children? Now, next, so gram sabha makes gram panchayat play its role and be responsible. Gram sabha is very important. Why? Because gram sabha, in another word we can say, it supervise the work of gram panchayat. Whatever the gram panchayat does, all the works are supervised by gram sabha, right? This is it. And gram sabha prevent panchayat from doing wrong things also, because panchayat is directly responsible to gram sabha. Gram panchayat is responsible. Okay, so gram sabha members, they can ask questions, okay, and they take care, they keep watching the entire work of gram panchayat, right? And they take care for such things like they are not misusing the money, okay, they are not favoring certain person in the village, okay, and they keep eye on all the responsibilities and all the works of gram panchayat. So gram sabha is the body which watch entire work and which take care of the entire works of gram panchayat, and they are making gram panchayat responsible, okay, and they are forcing it to work fairly, right? So that is how gram sabha is very important for a village, right? Now see this gram panchayat. So what is this gram panchayat? Actually, gram panchayat is a local government body. It is local government. It is a form of local government, right? And it is there in rural areas, in villages. It is a local government in villages, right? It meetings held regularly, okay, and what they talk in gram panchayat meetings, these all the people like this sarpanch and panch and all other villagers, right? So they talk about development programs for the village. So what kind of development program? Like construction of any public building, making of any school, okay, maintenance of any kind of streets and roads, and making of pond in the village. So these all kind of public works, they talk about it, okay. So, and the work of panchayat has to be approved by the gram sabha. This is also who approve the work of gram panchayat? Gram sabha. Here again it is a very important task of gram sabha, right? Next is construction and development committees are formed, okay. In many of the states, in some of the villages, they make some committees for smooth working, right? To work smoothly, they make some committees. So gram sabha and gram panchayat, they make sometimes some committees like sanitation committee, some committees they take care for water supply, some committees they take care for education, some committees they take care for health, right? So that is how some committees are formed sometimes, okay. Committees include some members and gram sabha, some members of gram sabha, right? Who are the people in these committees? Members of gram sabha, okay. And some form the gram panchayat who work together to carry specific task, right? So these member of gram sabha and gram panchayat, they form the committees, and for the development of the village they work, right? Again, now revise it. What is a gram panchayat? Gram panchayat is a governing body. local governing body. It is a form of local government. In which areas? In villages. Okay, its meetings held regularly, and what they discuss in their meetings, the developmental programs in the villages. Okay, Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat, they form their committees also, and in these committees they talk about the developmental programs of the village, right? Now let's talk about the works of Gram Panchayat. So what are these works? Construction and maintenance of water sources, as 1 minute before I discussed with you. Okay, like water sources, making of and maintaining drainage system. Okay, making school buildings and other common property resources. Do you understand what are common property resources? Common property resources are those resources which are used commonly by all the villagers. There can be village forest reason, there can be village pond. Okay, there can be any public building like dharmshalas are there in the villages, right? So these things are there. So these are common property resources where these are used by all the villagers commonly, right? They levy tax, they collect local taxes also. This is also a work of Gram Panchayat. And executing government schemes also, any scheme, okay, which is launched by the government. So these also executed in the government in the village area by the panchayat. Now let's see again these all the 3 points. So what are the works of Gram Panchayat? Number 1, developmental program, construction and maintenance of these all the things, schools and drainage and water sources, etc., right? Developmental programs and maintenance of these all the things, right? Collect local taxes, it collect local taxes also, and it execute government schemes also, right? So these are the 3 specific work of a Gram Panchayat in a village, right? Now, sources of funds for the panchayat means how, from where panchayat get its money. Okay, gets money, get revenue to do its work, day-to-day work, right? So in this there are it collect some kind of taxes like house taxes, some taxes from marketplaces also. Okay, so from the local taxes it get its money, its revenue, right? And government schemes fund received through the various department of the government through the, okay, and government also provide some amount of money to the village panchayats to do their task, and it get from donation and from community works also. Means mainly it take many kind of taxes, many kind of local taxes, okay, and it get grants from the government in different villages, state governments, they provide funds, they provide money to fulfill many kind of tasks in their villages, and this grant is given to the sarpanch, okay, to these particular panchayats, right? And after that, the sarpanch and panch, they are responsible for doing these developmental programs in their village, right? And they are answerable to Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha supervise on